Welcome, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss the effectiveness of change management. Why change management is very important on projects, because changes are part and parcel of any projects. How to manage changes is the very important factor for success of the project. Let's move further. As I said, changes are part of almost every project. No matter how much planning takes place upfront, changes are going to be there. The question is, when changes happens, how do you manage those changes? Because project change management helps you to address change quickly and deliver the outcome the organization which is looking for. So change management actually help you to deliver the project successfully with incorporation of changes if the changes are approved. Very important statements in front of you. Let us move further. What role does change management play in projects? It's maximizing of positive effects and minimizing of negative impact of change. That's the first role it plays, right? Change includes everything that affect aspects of project, like new deadlines, new milestones. If there is a fluctuation in the cost of input raw materials, right? If there is the issue of any availability of specialized resources, team members, change in scope, change in design, these are all factors which actually are part of change. They impact huge to each and every stakeholders at different levels. So it is very important to have change management in place before we start the project. Very important. The benefits of change management: we get better visibility into the impact of change. Before you get implemented, you need to carry out the impact analysis of why this change is necessary, how this change will alter the schedule, will it have an additional cost impact, do you have to have some additional people, additional specialized resources to do the change, or you need training or coaching to your existing employees. These are some of these impact you study before you get into the change. That's why the change management is very important. Without change management, these and other key points can easily go unaddressed, leading to unanticipated problems. If you ignore this and just go ahead like this, you will have so many problems which you can't anticipate. The second benefit is accountability. A change management provides clear breakdowns of roles and responsibilities. Who has authority to approve the change? That is first clarified. If that is clarified, you know who is the person to go for change management. If it is not, then you go round in circle and you don't achieve anything, right? So it is very important that you have an accountability. The third benefit is less resistance to change. Open, transparent communication to all team members, all stakeholders, rather partners, clients, vendors, is very important, because everybody is on the same page, right? If you don't tell them why this change, what is the rationale behind this change, then there's a confusion. If you do that, then there's a less resistance. When everyone is rowing in the same direction, successful handling change is much simpler. You can see on the picture, if you go everybody on the same mindset, everybody knows why the change is, less resistance, you go like rowing in the same direction. Otherwise, when people start rowing in different direction, what happens to that boat? You are all aware of. The third is improved efficiency. Project can be delivered more efficiently. There are less disputes. You don't spend time in dispute management, conflict management, and hence there is less stress. And when you have proper change management, you have reduced actually scope creep. Those unnoticed, changes are very bad. These are like virus. You can minimize those viruses by having better change management process. So key points: whenever you come on board, please ensure change control process exists and everybody is aware of that process. The same must be implemented even for the smallest change, because there is no small or big change. It has to be tracked, monitored properly. Create change register with its impacts, time and cost impact, and communicate that change register, that data regularly to all the stakeholders who actually need that information. So change management lead to project success. Very important. Again, just to announce you, these are the few courses related to project management available on my own app, Creating Management Mastery, which is driven by Class Plus. The details are in front of you. The links are also in the description box. Please take full benefit of it. These are another courses, four important courses related to project management. Please have a look at it. The links are in the description box. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.